How to get $150 Uber coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box, type in Uber coupon code, and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, grab on. This is the legit website where you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Uber. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 15% off, 300 rupees off, $200 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Now I can copy the code and head towards the website of Uber. Once you're in the website of Uber, you can go ahead and book your ride and proceed to checkout. While you are in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in a code and confirm your ride. With that, you're going to get the discount in your ride. Also, you can try out other offers, as in this website, you're going to find amazing offers for Uber. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once we're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, Groupon, as this is also the genuine website where you're going to find amazing offers for Uber. So this way you can easily get up to $150 working coupon code for Uber. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.